Montessori exercises for writing, rewriting stroke, standing line. So, to do this activity, you need sand, poured in a tray, and the binder. This is rough surface, that is sandpaper has been cut and sticked over here. And the worksheets, colors, pencil, erasers. A small toy vehicle to run over here. And she is also carrying a marker to write on the binder. Okay, so let's start with, ask the child to use the index finger and the middle finger trace on the sand. Can you trace on the sand the standing line? Using your index and middle finger. Hold it like this, and trace. Yes, only standing line. Do it, Vibha, do it. Standing line, say and do. Standing line, standing line. Now trace on this sandpaper letter, Biba. Say standing line.
Standing line.
Now take the vehicle. Start from here. Yeah, run it on the line.
Standing line.
Now take the marker and write. Now join the dots. Example for standing line is standing man, things falling down, walls. How does the traffic policeman stands? Stand straight. Standing line. Practice on the practice sheet.
Standing line. Standing line.
Join the dots.
Standing line.
Now, Vibha is getting ready to practice writing sleeping line. She is spreading the work mat, sandpaper, letters, sand, worksheets, and all accessories what she needs to work on.
Line.
And now it's time to move it on the road letter. You can take some toy vehicle and run over on it. Now it's time to run over the road. You can use any toy vehicle. Now Biba is using zebra. Say and write.
Sleeping line.
Sleeping line.
Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line.
Yes. Now you can write.
Sleeping line.
You can use your marker and write. Later you can wipe it and reuse it.
Sleeping line.
Join the dots.
Sleeping line.
These were binders. You can use it until the child is thorough with the strokes. Repeat again and again. Keep practicing again and again. Now use the clay to make the sleeping line. Yes, now you can keep it on the sleeping line. Yes. Yes, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 step activity. You can use this binder for doing 5 steps activity. One is trace on the sandpaper letter. Always use index and middle finger, and you can run over on the road sleeping line with a toy vehicle. Next, you can write the sleeping line inside the box. Now use the clay and you can put it on the sleeping line. Join the dots. Now it's time to move on to the worksheets. Write the date and name. 0. Help the car to get home by tracing the lines on the road. Say and write sleeping line.
Sleeping line.
Sleeping line.
Sleeping line.
Now don't forget to write the date and the name. Trace the sleeping lines to match the shape. Ball. Ball goes to circle. Sleeping line.
Sleeping line.
Gift box to square.
Square.
Sleeping line. Door to rectangle. Sleeping line.
Sleeping line.
Ice cream cone to triangle. Sleeping line. Now trace the sleeping line. Say start, stop,
Sleeping line.
stop. Now practice only sleeping line here. Write the date and name.
Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Line. Sleeping line.
Now join the dots. Start and stop.
Sleeping line.
Slanting line. Writing activity. Writing exercise. Say slanting line. You can give the example of seesaw, stairs. See how the stairs will be a line like this. If it is straight, we cannot climb on it. Isn't it, children? So, let me first trace on the sand. Slanting line, slanting line, slanting line. Use your index finger. Slanting line. Slanting line can be written in this way too. Slanting line, slanting line. This is right slanting line and this is left slanting line. Children, while using the sand, never keep your fingers inside your mouth. After using it, wash it thoroughly. Trace, trace, write, join dots, stick. Shall we do it, children? Yes. To trace on the sandpaper, you use your index finger and middle finger. Gently trace it, children. Don't put it hard. Slanting line, slanting line, slanting line. Now what do you see here? It's a road. So let's take the zebra. You can take any of your vehicle toy and run over it. Slanting line, slanting line, slanting line. Now it's time to trace. Since it is a reusable binder, you can take the marker and start from the above. Say and write slowly slanting line. Slanting line, slanting line. Okay, children, you can wipe it and reuse it. Now it's time to join the dots. Slowly do it, children. Slanting line. Okay, children. Now the fun part, to paste the clay. Yes. Let's move on. Don't forget to write the date and name. Trace the slanting lines on the caterpillar. Say start and stop. Shall we do it, children? Yes. Start, stop. Start, stop. Start, slanting line, stop. Children, now it's time to practice in your practice worksheet. Say and write loudly. Don't forget to write the date and the name. Slanting line. Trace the lines. Say and write loudly, children. Slanting line. Slanting line. Slanting line. Curve line, curve line. Can you give me some examples for the curve line? Examples of curve line is moon, the rainbow lines, waves, waves of the water in the sea, ocean. Isn't it, children? Yes. So, before beginning, let's trace it. Use your index finger. Say loudly and trace it, children. Curve line. Curve line. Curve line. This is right curve line. Curve line. Curve line. Left curve line. Up curve line. Up curve line. Down curve line. Down curve line. Down curve line. So basically, if you bend a line, it makes curve and it is called curve line. Okay, children? So after using the sand, wipe it and wash your hands thoroughly. So let's move on to the activity. This is 5 steps exercise. Trace, trace, write, join dots and stick. So using your index finger and middle finger, gently trace it over the sandpaper. Curve line. Curve line. Curve line. Now take your toy vehicle and run over it. Curve line. Curve line. Curve line. Now it's time to trace it. Curve line. Curve line. Curve line. Join the dots. Curve line. Curve line. Curve line. Now the fun part is to stick the clay. Yes, children. Trace it over the sandpaper. Run the vehicle. Trace it from the pencil. Join the dots and stick your clay. Okay, now let's move on to the worksheet activities. Wow, that's very colorful. Isn't it, children? Pre-writing strokes. Trace the curve lines to finish drawing the balloons. Don't forget to write the date and name. So let's start tracing on the curves. Curve line. Trace and join the lines. Curve line. Curve line. Curve line. Yes, children. Now we have finished writing 4 strokes. That is standing line, sleeping line, slanting line and curve line. In tomorrow's session, let's start with the practice worksheets. That is revision of all these strokes in a fun way. Okay, children? Thank you.